iQOO 15 officially launches as a true flagship smartphone. The iQOO 15 has officially arrived, ready to shake up the flagship smartphone market. And yes, it absolutely earns the flagship title. From its powerful chipset to its premium components, iQOO is clearly serious about innovation this year. The device comes in three configurations: 12 GB plus 256 GB, 16 GB plus 512 GB, and 16 GB plus 1 TB, giving consumers the flexibility to choose based on their needs. At the heart of its performance is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a chipset built to deliver maximum power. iQOO is also introducing its supercomputing dual-chip Q3, and one standout highlight is the massive 7,000 mAh battery, something you don't typically see in flagship phones. We want to deliver a true flagship experience for users. iQOO 15 brings improvements across the board. With our dual-chip system that we enhance every year and our newest AI capabilities, we're confident the iQOO 15 will offer a fresh experience for consumers, said Calvin Nodal, Senior Product Manager of iQOO. We're also the first smartphone equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Our goal has always been to be the first and the fastest, Calvin added. Performance upgrades and new thermal system. As expected, the iQOO 15 delivers a significant performance upgrade over its predecessor. Thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, users can expect smooth gaming performance and excellent handling of heavy tasks like video editing. To maintain that performance, iQOO includes an 8K VC cooling system. The vapor chamber is larger than previous generations and combines a special cooling gel with dual-layer graphite to ensure the entire device is efficiently cooled. This should help the phone stay cool even during intense gaming sessions, at least according to iQOO's claims. The phone also enhances the live streaming experience with a new highlight and live streaming replay feature. It supports dual-device screen mirroring and bypass charging, making the iQOO 15 ideal not only for gamers but also content creators. 7,000 mAh Blue Volt battery. Powering the device is a huge 7,000 mAh Blue Volt battery. iQOO uses a fourth-generation silicon anode technology, offering better longevity and efficiency compared to previous models. According to iQOO, it can last 50.4 hours of music playback, up to 32.6 hours of nonstop video streaming, YouTube or movies. For charging, users get 100-watt flash charge and 40-watt wireless charging. There's also a battery life extender that automatically activates at 1% to keep the device alive long enough for you to plug it in. 6.86-inch Samsung 2K M14 LED OLED. iQOO uses a Samsung 2K M14 LED OLED panel, promising more immersive visuals than previous generations and other competitors. This is their first global collaboration with Samsung, debuting this display worldwide. The 2K nanolithography filter layer enhances clarity and brightness while keeping power consumption low, meaning users can enjoy a high-quality display without worrying about battery drain. The phone also includes a triple ambient light sensor for smooth and natural brightness transitions. The screen supports 2,600 nits typical brightness, up to 6,000 nits peak local brightness, down to 1 nit for comfortable low-light viewing. 5MP camera with periscope zoom. The iQOO 15 features a 50MP Sony IMX921 main camera with a large 1/1.56-inch sensor. It also uses Vivo's Camera Bionic Spectrum and iQOO's own Ultra Stabilization OIS, achieving SEPA 4.5 certification for impressive stability. Completing the setup, 50MP ultra-wide camera, 50MP periscope camera with IMX882 with up to 100 times digital zoom. This setup allows the iQOO 15 to capture detailed, sharp photos even at long distances, clearly showing that iQOO is serious about camera performance as well. Price and availability. Pre-orders run from December 2nd to December 8th, 2025. The iQOO 15 comes in two colors, Alpha and Legend. Pre-order bonuses include iQOO Buds One Eye, a tumbler, and up to $30 cashback. Buyers also get a 6-month screen protection plan and an extended 24-month warranty. Official prices. iQOO 15, 12 gigabytes plus 256 gigabytes is $781. iQOO 15, 16 gigabytes plus 512 gigabytes is $841. And iQOO 15, 16 gigabytes plus 1 terabyte is $961. In the end, the iQOO 15 is easily one of the most impressive flagship performers of 2025. It delivers top-tier power with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, incredible efficiency thanks to the dual chip system, and one of the biggest batteries ever put in a flagship phone, a massive 7,000 mAh that genuinely changes daily usage expectations. The new Samsung 2K M14 LED OLED display looks fantastic, the cooling system keeps performance stable, and the triple 50MP camera setup with periscope zoom delivers surprisingly strong results for its price point. Whether you're gaming, live streaming, editing, or just want a phone that lasts forever, the iQOO 15 is built to handle it all. At its price, iQOO isn't just aiming to compete with Samsung, Google, or OnePlus, it's trying to beat them. And with this combination of performance, battery life, display technology, and aggressive pricing, it just might be the best flagship value of the year. If you're looking for a powerful, long-lasting, feature-packed flagship without paying over $1,200, the iQOO 15 is absolutely worth considering.